What's... Did you? Nice. All right, what's going on? John from Deer Outdoors, and we're going camping again. We're back at Big Lagoon State Park. Gonna do something fun this weekend. We left the boat back at the boat ramp, and this is the weekend of the Blue Angels Pensacola Beach Airshow. So we're gonna try to do that in the boat. Meanwhile, we're gonna get all this stuff out of the back of the truck, set up our campsite, and try and find some shade or some coolness, because it is a hot weekend. And the main thing, stay cool and stay safe. All right, let's get this stuff set up.
Yeah, good catch.
Fast forward a couple of hours, we took it easy setting everything up because it was so hot. Got the tent set up, got the camping stove set up, doing a little garlic bread and steak. Got a little chutney and of course some nice tasty ramen to go with the steak. So that'll be the dinner for tonight. We got ourselves a Alabama starter Pokemon in the fire pit, the famed armadillo. Go on, get out of here, bud. You're just trying to see what we're doing. Take it easy, man. Yeah, you gotta go. All right, it's the next day. My bright idea was to wake up and bring all the breakfast stuff and go find a beach and cook it, but I decided not to do that just because it would be too hard. And I don't want to make the beach any more dirty than it needs to be. So we ate breakfast at the campsite, got the boat out. We are following a stream of boats. We're heading all the way down to Pensacola Beach. I'm not sure how long of a ride it is, but we're following these guys, and these guys are following us. And it's just going to be a madhouse once we start opening wake, but it's going to be a good day. We made it out on the water, right, Sydney? And let's just have some fun, see what we get into. Right, it was a haul out here. So many boats, man, just racing them. But we made it out here. We're on the northwestern side of Pensacola Beach, near little Sabine Bay, I think. We'll have to check that, but that's where everyone's parked, man. We're gonna have some fun. There's some stuff going on. Try to get some air show footage, and the air show got temporarily delayed. A lot of people you know, are kind of stuck in this cove. This ain't really the smartest situation to be in, but the weather's north and it's going to be moving east, so I think we're going to be good. Really, the worst case scenario, we bail, stay close to the beach and head west and try to cut it off from behind. But right now, I think we're good. And a lot of people cut out of here, which is fine. Do that if you think you need to. Weather's done, and they started the cool little civilian show. That guy's doing some crazy stuff, and these guys are doing some crazy stuff over here. They were just doing flips and stuff. I missed it. He's over there. There he goes. He's doing a loop again. What are these two gonna do? He's doing his loop. Oh, it's a stall. Oh my gosh, it's just falling out of the air. There they go. We got smoke. Oh, we got a heart. Whoa, Sydney, look. That's awesome. said it ain't a bad way to see an air show.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Sydney?
I love it.
I bet.
I don't know how you do this.
Okay, the moment we've been waiting for, Blue Angels are here. Oh, look at. It's gonna get loud, Sydney. That's why we came. Here they come, Sydney. The other two are around here somewhere.
What's around
That ain't a bad view of the water. That's cool. Wow. There they go. Nice. You can see tons and tons, probably 200 boats leaving. So my advice is just take your time. Let all of them go first, you know? Let it go, look at them go. And, you know, just battle out these waves. And you'll make it. We got about, I don't know, 10 miles to go back to our campsite. But other than that, that was a pretty awesome show. I'm glad we did it. I'd probably do it again, maybe when it's a little cooler out. There's a show in November, but it was awesome. So in the inlet of Fort McRae to north of Johnson Beach in the Sound, got definitely a lot of impasse. There's a lot of Coast Guard boats. I think everyone's just slowing down. They want everyone to just slow down. The main thing in a situation like this, don't be a jerk. Just chill. It'll get by in a minute, and you get through it. You know, it'll take no time, but just don't be that guy. No boat rage or anything like that. Everyone's trying to get it through it just as you. So chill out, get through it. See you on the other side. Oh man, good morning. It's last day. We're packing up some stuff, getting some breakfast going. We got some bacon cooking on the camp kitchen, some pre-made biscuits warming up behind it, getting that heat from the stove. And then we already got some sausage gravy made, and this is my coffee cup. But yeah, we're gonna pack up here. Probably not gonna go back out on the boat again. The weather's looking like that, and we just kind of got our butts kicked from yesterday. But that's it. This weekend was a lot of fun, so if you want to see more stuff like this, just like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. And see you next time on Deer Outdoors.